Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back. Happy New Year. Happy 2024. I am so happy and blessed to see you guys in this new year. Y'all, 2023 was kind of tough, but y'all, it's a new year and I am just blessed that you guys are back with us again. Thank you so much, and I love you guys so very much. But I'm back with a new video. I have a new wig from Isee, and if you guys are interested, I will have all the information, links, and details located in the info section below. So here's everything that I received with my wig, and I'm going to get into this special type of wig in just a moment. However, the wig that I have is 20 inches long. It's in that gorgeous kinky curly texture, and it also has that 9x6 pre-cut lace. Y'all, get into these curls, so soft. And you guys, look at this wig. Now this is what I be talking about. This is the way you're supposed to receive a wig. Like, it's 2024. We shouldn't have to be doing any work. We shouldn't have to be bleaching our knots or plucking our wigs anymore. And I'm so happy to have received this wig. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. No work needs to be done. Y'all, look at it. Look at it. It looks so natural and realistic, and it has this branded adjustable bands. And you guys, get this, it also has removable combs. Oh my goodness. So this wig design is their new M cap wig design. It has a 9x6 inch pre-cut lace. It has the ear shaped design for easy installation and comfort. Removable combs to meet everyone's different needs. It also has that 3D cap design that allows you to be able to lay the wig nice and snug around the hairline. The knots are pre-bleached and they're non-existent, so you're gonna get a very realistic appearance. And once again, this is what this wig looks like. It comes 100% pre-done, and you don't have to worry about doing any work at all. However, putting some minor customizations in order for the wig to fit your aesthetic. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on per usual. I'm just using a regular smegular black stocking cap. They do give you a couple of stocking caps with your wig. I just like to use black just because it's super universal, and it, you know, you can kind of like customize it to your liking. And you guys, this is what the wig looks like on. I'm just going to take a little bit of foundation just to apply it on that lace. Now this is high definition lace, so it is clear and it's going to blend in with all skin tone, but I like to add a little extra just to kind of give it like that oomph, so it works perfectly for myself. And this is what it looks like. You guys can see where the ear tabs are. My ears are sitting nicely. They're not folded or anything like that. This wig is sitting so comfortably, especially on my forehead. It's super comfortable and snug in the right areas, and it is definitely big head friendly, small head friendly. Whatever your hair size or shape is, you can definitely be able to get a nice custom fit. So I definitely want to help revive these curls and get some more definition flowing. So I'm going to use a little bit of water and just drench down this hair. I'm then going to go in with a little bit of my Wet and Wavy curling cream. And once again, everything will be left down below in the info section in case you guys are interested in anything that I'm using. I'm going to apply that all over the hair. Then I'm going to go in with my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush and help kind of redefine these curls. Now, if you want your curls to be soft and bouncy, definitely go in with a diffuser and work in small sections, moving very slow. I found that when you move kind of quickly, you do develop frizz. So go really slow when you're drying your curls. And it appears I'm going fast, but I am in fast forward motion. But definitely take your time doing this, and you can definitely get some nice, fluffy, soft, bouncy curls. So now I'm just going in and I'm taking some of the curls that's closest to my face and I'm cutting some face framing layers. You can't necessarily mess this up with curly hair. It's so easy. Just take a cluster of curls and just trim them down kind of to where it meets your jaw level, and trust me, it'll definitely make a huge difference. So now I'm going in with the white tooth comb and I'm just building up some volume just because I don't necessarily like that flat look. Okay, so this is what this wig is looking like, you guys. So soft. You guys, get into this hairline and how natural it looks. This wig is so comfortable. My ears aren't folded or anything like that. They're not like tucked behind the lace. It's super comfortable. This wig definitely isn't going anywhere. And did I mention how soft it is? That's like the first thing that I noticed, other than the fact that this wig comes ready to go. Just throw it on, you're out the door. It's so soft, you know, especially once I dried the curls. It's so soft and flowy, and oh my god, I just cannot get enough of it. Y'all definitely have to check out Isee hair. I will have all the details and information located in the info section below. If you guys are interested in this particular wig, be sure to use my discount code, which is ICCAP, to save 15% off of your purchases. And once again, this is their MCAP 9x6 lace wear and go wig. Once again, my wig is 20 inches long. It has that 9x6 pre-cut high definition lace. It has the removable combs. It has the ear-shaped tab designs for comfort. And definitely you don't have to use any adhesives. This wig isn't going anywhere. It fits so nice and snug, and it's not too tight to the point where it's giving you a headache. It is just enough to where if the wind blows, your wig is staying nice and snug on your head. But you guys, once again, do check out Isee hair. All the details and links will be left down in the info section below. You guys definitely let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.
Yeah.